Are you having low back pain with some stiffness on your hamstrings? Welcome back to my channel, Annie Pilates Physical Therapist. It's quite common for most of my patients with back pain due to tightness on their hamstrings. So I'll show you some simple yoga flow you can do every single day to help relieve any tension if you've been sitting all day at work. So get your mat ready and join me. Okay, my friends, we'll start standing up and we're going to do a gentle yoga flow. You can do is only this, and it's great to relieve any tension on your hamstrings. So with your feet apart first, with your hands on your side, slowly go overhead, belly button in, reach to the ceiling with your hands as you look up. Inhale, squeeze your stomach in to engage your core. As you exhale down, it's best to warm up your shoulders as well. If you've been sitting and typing, it's great to open your arms and shoulders up. Exhale down. Last one. Inhale up and hold it for a mountain pose position. And then exhale. Lean to one side. Inhale back to the center as you exhale to the other side. Inhale in. Exhale to the other side. Last one, inhale and exhale. Now slowly place your hands to your side again. Now let's challenge with your feet together. This is more on your balance. Engage your core as you reach to the heavens for a mountain pose. Inhale and hold it there. Exhale. As you inhale, pull your belly button in and then exhale, lean on one side. Inhale back to the center. Exhale to the other side. Inhale back to the center. As you exhale, do a gentle chair pose. We're going to slowly sit down, pretending there's a chair behind you, with your hands overhead, still looking up, like something's pulling on the crown of your head to lengthen your spine. And feel that on your thighs. And hold it there with 2 deep breaths. Inhale. Exhale. Last one. Inhale. As you exhale, open your arms out to the side. Step on your right foot, pointing to the right. Left foot pointing to the front. As you exhale, lean on your right side for a warrior one. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, lean and reach down on your right foot. Palms out open. As you exhale, look up to the ceiling on your left hand, pointing to the ceiling. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, slowly go overhead to stretch your shoulders. Feel the tension in your right hamstrings. And follow your eyes on your hand. Follow your hand with your eye gaze. Inhale. Exhale back, pointing to the ceiling. As you inhale, slowly trunk twist to the right, thread it in underneath your hamstrings. Exhale up, back, pointing to the ceiling. As you inhale back to warrior one, bend your right knee, lean forward to stretch your inner thigh, your hip area on your left. As I'm leaning on my right knee, exhale, lean on your right thigh with your right elbow and look up again. Exhale overhead to stretch. Inhale up to the center, pointing to the ceiling. Exhale back to warrior one. Inhale back to reverse warrior. Reach back on your right thigh as you point your right hand to the ceiling. Inhale overhead. Exhale, release. Inhale back, point to the ceiling. As you exhale back to warrior one. Now switch it up to the other side. Warrior one on your left. Inhale. Exhale back, down. Place your hand on the mat near your left foot as you look up on your right hand. Inhale overhead on your right hand. Follow your eye gaze with your right hand. Feel the stretch on your neck muscles as well. Inhale, point to the ceiling. As you exhale, thread it in underneath your right. Inhale up, pointing to the ceiling, slow and easy. Exhale, overhead again. Towards your left side, follow your hand with your eye gaze. Inhale back to warrior one. Lean on your left elbow as you exhale to reverse warrior. Point your hand to the ceiling. Inhale overhead to release. Exhale to further release more. Inhale back to warrior one. Feel that lovely stretch. To lean on your left thigh with your left elbow as you look up on your right hand. Inhale overhead. Exhale back. Inhale back to warrior one towards your right again. Exhale down. And then inhale up to a high lunge. Overhead. Feel the stretch on your hip flexors. Exhale. Hold it there. Feel the release. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale back to warrior one. Exhale back to triangle. Reach on your left ankle with your left hand as you look up your right hand. Pointing to the ceiling. Inhale. Exhale. One deep breath. Hold it. Inhale back to warrior one on your left. Exhale, reach down on the mat with your left hand and look up on your right hand. Inhale back to high lunge on your left. Feel the deep stretch and hold it for 3 deep breaths. Feel that stretch on your hamstrings on your right. Last one, inhale and exhale. Inhale back to warrior one and then reverse warrior. Look up, reach back on your right ankle as you lower yourself to a lovely triangle now. Extend your left knee to further go down and keep looking up to the ceiling. Now place your hands to the mat to stretch. Open your feet apart as much as you can to a deep hip groin stretch. And hold it there for 3 deep breaths. Inhale. Exhale. 2 deep breaths. Hold it there. Last one. And blow. Now slowly crawl to the right for a deep low lunge position. So this time with my hands pointing forward, I'm going to slowly tilt my body, lean to the right to stretch my hip flexor in my left and lean back to extend my right knee for a hamstring stretch. So inhale forward, exhale back, back and forth as much as you can. Dynamic stretching. 2 more. Deep stretch. Exhale. Last one. And then slowly place your knee down to the mat for a deeper stretch. On your hip flexor. And then slowly extend your right knee for your hamstring stretch. And then forward fold to the right. Hold it for 3 deep breaths. Inhale, exhale. 2 more to go. Inhale, exhale. Further down to stretch further. You try your best to place your forehead to your right knee. Last one. Inhale, exhale. Now switch it up to the other side. Slowly turn to a deep lunge on your left. Inhale. Keep your right knee up as you lean forward to stretch your hip flexor on your right this time. Exhale to extend your left knee. Inhale. Lean forward. Exhale. Dynamic stretching. 2 more. Exhale. Last one. Inhale. Then lower your right knee down to further stretch your hip flexor as you look up. Feel the stretch on your right hip flexor. As you exhale, extend your left. Place your hands out to the side, beside your foot on your left as you do a gentle forward fold on your left. Inhale, exhale. Last one. Inhale and exhale. Now we're slowly getting up. We're gonna do forward fold. Let's go to the corner of the mat. Hands overhead. For beginners, slowly place your hands pointing down as you bend your hip forward. Keeping your knees straight. Feet together if you like, or open your feet apart for more balance and support. Place your hands on your hip to remind yourself to keep your back in neutral and keeping your head up, your crown of your head, something's pulling it up to make sure you're straight, not slouching. You rather have your knees buckled a little bit to keep your back straight than having it straight and then you're slouching. This is important to prevent back injury. So slightly bend your knees if you like. Hands on your hip as you slowly go further down for a forward fold. Grab your elbows with your hands and bend forward. With your knees straight, you're really targeting your hamstrings as you lift your both elbows up overhead to the ground. Your arms near your ears as you stretch. As you exhale down, further stretch and you bend further. Fold. Exhale with your breath. Inhale, lift. Exhale down. Now slowly place your hands behind your back and clasp it together. Inhale and lift it, pointing to the ceiling. Feel the stretch on your upper back. Further as you go forward, fold more, keeping your knees straight for a deep stretch all the way to your calf muscles. Inhale. Exhale, release more. You can place your hands now behind your calf area so you can further stretch it down to forward fold with your knees straight. And if you still can't do it with your knees straight, it's okay to buckle your knees a little bit so you can touch your chest on your thighs. And you can feel a release on your buttocks and low back. So you inhale. Exhale. If there's shooting pain down the leg, stop. It means you have a disc herniation, so be careful. This is for any back pain, stiffness without sciatica. So you inhale. Exhale as you further stretch down towards, try your best with your head towards your knees. And most of my patients can't do this yet, so be careful. It takes a lot of dedication. You can place your hands on the mat. If you can't reach it, hold behind your thighs or your knees to further stretch down. For forward fold, you might feel some burning sensation on your calf and your hamstrings, but try your best to further go down. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. It takes a lot of dedication to be flexible. It's not an overnight improvement. It takes a lot of practice. Inhale. Exhale. Now please, if you sit all day at work, doing this even 10 minutes a day will help your hamstrings flexibility as you lift your body up now. Place your hands on your hip area. For beginners, keep your back straight as you go up, slow and easy, and then overhead with your hands and go further up. And that's it. That's a simple yoga flow to relieve back pain, stiffness, and hamstrings tightness. If you love this video, please subscribe to my channel, ring the notification bell so you won't miss anything. I'm reopening my back masterclass by October 11. So if you want to be part of my early bird waitlist, it's a first come, first served basis. So click the link down below. Register with your email address so you can get the email reminders to register for a first come, first served basis for my small intimate class. Always remember, if you have any questions, suggestions, or concerns regarding this video, email me directly on my social media or here on YouTube, and I'll try my best to answer each one of you. Always remember, be safe, be well, and healthy you. Until next time, bye!